Hello, this is Maranatha. I am your doTERRA oil lady, and I am so happy to tell you that this week doTERRA has announced BOGOs. So buy one, get one free, okay? And they have never told us in advance any of the sales. All of us consultants, we wake up at 2 in the morning, or we never go to sleep actually. We stay up late waiting to see what the deal is for the next day. But for the first time in doTERRA history, they have told us in advance what the first deal is. And this is a deal for everyone. You're not gonna wanna miss this one. If you buy On Guard oil, then you get Breathe oil for free. On Guard is for your immune system. Breathe is for your respiratory system. So we don't live in a bubble, so we all need immune support. And if you breathe oxygen, then I would recommend you get the Breathe oil. It's amazing. So not only will we have the opportunity to get BOGOs, I am offering my special price on this along with it. So you will get wholesale price, whether you have an account or not, if you're in my group, as long as you're not somebody else's person, okay? If you have a different consultant, please go to them to get your BOGO. But if I am your consultant, then I would love to help you. And I'm gonna educate you along the way about how to use these and keep in touch with you once you receive them so that you know what to do with them. I will have some giveaways too in my group, so it'll be fun. Also, if you don't already have an account and you would like to get a really good deal, this month, if you get started with 100 promotional value plus the account, okay, that's normally it's 35, but if you get a kit, it waives that. So if that's something you might be interested in, then I will be happy to help you because that means that you'll get $50 back in free product credit. So I'm gonna just show you really quick what the kits are to refresh your memory. It'll take like 2 seconds and then I'll let you go and I will see you in my group. My main group is called Crazy Little Thing Called Oils. It's all one word and no spaces, but I have a special group called Crazy BOGO Sale. And that one is just for the BOGO deals. Okay, so let me show you our special kits that we have available. Here we go. Okay. All right, so this one waives the $35. If you buy this kit, it's $150 and you will not, and you actually will get 50 back in free product credit. Okay, it's like a $50 shopping spree to stuff of your choice. The only thing is you do not use the 50 credit on the BOGO. That is one rule you can't do. But you can stack on the BOGOs to this once you get started. So this gives you 10 oils and they're 5 ml bottles plus beadlets. This kit includes a diffuser, a carrier oil, and 8 oils for $150. They're also 5 ml bottles. So these are our small bottle kits. And then if you wanted our big bottles, they're 3 times the size and they're 15 ml. So this kit is amazing because it's not even double the price of the other kit, but you get triple the oil plus a diffuser. Again, you don't pay $35, but you do get the 50 back in free product credit. So we are super excited about the BOGO sale. I love to share my discount with you guys, and I offer free shipping, so you don't even have to pay shipping. So we're getting you like the best deal possible. If you want to get your own account, or if you already have your own account, this is a great time to earn credits back. So if you already have your own account that's been up if you like enrolled anytime before this month, you're going to earn points back if you buy the BOGOs, and I will help you learn how to do that. Okay, thank you so much. I'm excited to help you guys this week and educate you about these amazing oils and help you get really great deals and Christmas gifts for your loved ones. Have a great day. Bye.